figure out the things that we need to work on. Ayun, basically, we have to keep improving from here. Hindi naman pwede na bad trip tayo, malungkot tayo, di ba? Magmumukmuk na lang tayo. Siyempre, we have to figure out the things that we need to work on. And marami pa eh. So, marami pa. Kaya, yun yung kailangan namin pagtuunan ng pansin.
Sir, maganda rin yung pinakita ng mga young boxers natin. Ano lang masasabi mo sa future ng PH boxing?
Yeah, well, the likes of Maricuatro, first time. Yung si Ofelia Magno, I felt like she should have been in the finals at least. So, half of the team first-timers eh. Parang wala akong masasabi talaga na performance na parang hindi ka magiging proud eh. Diba? So, lahat sila talaga, they gave their best, no? Unfortunately, judging has been a big part really of a big area for improvement for boxing in general. No? Actually, that's the main reason why inalis tayo sa Olympics for a while. Buti nagkaroon ng reform sa International Federation, binalik tayo. Pero provisional recognition pa lang kami. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa technical delegate. So sabi ko, ang mangyayari nito, yung fact lang na 16 of 17 boxers ng Thailand in the finals and they got 14 gold medals out of the 17. So mukhang may irregularities yata, pero that's something na we really need to improve on as a sport. Otherwise, baka wala tayo sa Olympics ito after LA 2028. So yung mga ganitong tournaments nakikita ng IOC yan. So we really have to be careful, and that's what we're going to express sa World Boxing. At least have an inquiry here dahil diba, hindi pwedeng maulit yung mga ganitong may mga blatant na na bad decisions eh.
Gaya na.
Maricuatro, kailangan ko lang ipadala sa World Boxing yung third round. We lost the third round. 2-3. Kung binigay sa atin, na-deductionan yung thigh in the last round. Bakit na-deductionan? Kumakapit na. Wala nang lakas. Kaya na-deductionan. Paano mananalo sa scorecard? Diba? Talo pa tayo 2-3. Kung nag-4-1 man lang yon to our favor, panalo si Maricuatro. Diba? Yun pa lang. Papadala ko lang yun sa World Boxing. Napaka-blatant na judging error yun eh. Inexcusable yun eh. Diba? So, unless you're either corrupt or you're incompetent. Diba? Which is walang lugar dito yun eh. Diba? So, yun yung mga, isa pa lang yun.
Na irregularity.
Oh, ang dami pa. Nakita mo yung Singapore na 69. Oh, panalo dapat yun. Kanina may Vietnamese rin na nanalo rin dapat. Even those bouts na hindi tayo yung dihado, nakikita natin yung Singaporean na 48. Dapat siya tsaka si Ofelia Magno yung magkalaban sa finals, pero hindi. Diba? The Singaporean should have beaten the Thai, pero yung women's 48, pero hindi, talo.
So tingin mo may dayaan?
I think so. I think ang daming masyadong madaming masasabi mo na, in a tournament, pero talagang magkakamali. Iba-iba yung angulo ng judges, okay, fine. Meron talagang results na that will not go your way. Diba? Pero kung may pattern again, 16 of 17 of their boxers in the finals. They got 14 out of the 17 gold medals. Siguro naman, they're good boxers, of course, yes. They're good boxers, pero come on, di ba? Parang may irregularities naman
may action taken kayo?
Where we're gonna write to World Boxing, we're always speaking to the technical delegate. Ayaw na nga akong kausapin We're always speaking to them. We're speaking to the Thai officials. They're always who are also Asian boxing officials. They're just promising us na, okay, it's gonna be fair. We're not doing anything here. That's what they've been telling us Pero, okay, we'll write to World Boxing, our international federation, to at least have an inquiry. Tingnan nyo lang kung anong nangyari. May irregularities ba or wala. And then they decide for themselves.
So, kung wala irregularities, tingin nyo, nakailang ginto tayo sa boxing?
I think dapat nakalima yata tayo. Yung kay Nesty pa lang, yung kay Hergy, and yung iba hindi natin alam. Si Ogaire, I think he should have won the bout against the Thai. Yung kay Ira kanina, you can argue na we won the first and the third round. So, dami eh. It could have been minimum 5 for us, di ba? Pero, well, that didn't happen. So again, hindi naman tayo magre-reklamo lang, pero we have to also reflect kasi kailangan din namin tingnan yung mga bagay na nasa control namin na dapat masagawa namin on the side of the boxers. Paano ba mas maging convincing pa yung outcome ng laban on the side of the coaches. Baka meron din tayong mga fight plan or competition plan na dapat na-improve, titingnan pa rin naman namin yon, di ba? Hindi naman tayo parang sore loser lang na lahat ng talo natin daya, di ba? Si Flint kanina, I thought Flint really lost that bout against Thailand. So alam naman natin pagtalo tayo eh. Pero yung iba naman, masyado namang unfair.
Thank you so much, sir.